Well, you gotta talk. We gotta hear
All
words.
you gotta do is look.
Okay, well, I can see that, but you need to tell me what's going on.
He's on drugs.
Okay.
He went somewhere, got something, came back like this. He's been hollering, screaming, and acting all
Get up out of here, man.
What's his name?
Ain't no more back on, man. Here.
Ronald.
Here, go. Get up out my house, man. Down with that.
Hey, dude.
Get up out of here, man. Ain't no explaining. Get up out my house, man. I am. Okay, bye. Go, I'm ready to close my door. How you doing, sir?
I'm good, man.
No, I ain't on that. He do this every week, man. Come over here, get high out here in the street, and then come here, holler and shit. I'm up here sleeping. He in my bathroom hollering. My brother.
I'm sorry, brother.
You stepped out.
I said I'm sorry.
Hey, don't make this worse.
Huh?
Don't make this worse. Just stop talking.
No, get him on my porch. Don't come back to my house.
Don't tell me what to do either. Okay, where you been laying your head? Or wait, no, I took you to the shelter.
Yeah.
Are you still at Faith Mission? Do you have a bed there or not?
Yeah.
Okay, I can give you a ride over there.
Huh?
I'll give you a ride over there.
Yes, sir. Thank
Go
you.
ahead and put that on.
Yeah.
Here, I'll help you.
Yeah.
Give me your other arm. That one right there.
Yeah.
All right. And perfect.
Say it again. Sir.
What'd you use tonight
Oh.
that's got you freaking out?
Oh,
Well, did you use a little bit of meth?
yeah. Yep, I did.
Why do you keep doing that to yourself? You dropped your mask.
Ooh-wee.
One foot in front of the other.
Yep.
You gotta focus. You do better when you're focused.
Yes.
You remember how to do this, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
How often do you use meth, buddy?
Say,
How often do you use meth?
um,
Have you ever gone to the hospital and seek
yeah.
treatment?
Yes,
Okay.
I have.
Does that help?
Yeah, it do.
Do you want to go to the hospital for treatment tonight?
No. I'm gonna just be honest.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yep.
So you're sure you're gonna be okay if I take you back to the Faith Mission?
Yeah.
Hey Ronald, you gotta hold it together, man,
Yes, sir.
because you're having a really tough time right now.
Yes, sir.
And I can't let you out on the street like this. When you go to the hospital, which hospital do you normally use? Which hospital do you normally go to when you go to
Sir.
what hospital do you normally go to when you,
Oh,
you know?
yeah.
What hospital?
Oh.
How about I take you to Grant Hospital, because that's close to your home?
Yes, sir.
That sound good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna get you unbuckled here.
Yes, sir.
Come on out.
Okay.
You're a little tangled up in the...
Ooh,
There you go.
there we go.
Just hold on to that for me.
Yes, sir.
You lock the door so no one steals my car.
Oh no, you don't want that.
No, that'd be horrible. Police car gets stolen. Oh, you dropped your mask. You want to get that?
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to lose it. Alright, let's go up here. We're going to go up in the hospital.
Yes, sir.
We'll get you checked in. Make sure you're safe tonight.
Yes, sir.
Watch out for that big puddle.
I'm on the same page with you.
All right, man.
How your night been going other than that? Oh,
Well, I just got to work, and you're the first person I've seen tonight.
okay.
It could be worse.
Yes.
You're a pretty
Well-
nice guy.
Well, hey, that's one thing I will say to you. I would not give you a hard way to go.
No, you never have. I just wish you would get off this stuff, man.